watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carnelian bringing you the station news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 86th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Bible Diary 2022 from Don Bosco Publishing, Hyderabad and Church Art, Kolkata. Assam Salesians launch centenary celebrations. Father Johnny Parankimalil reports from Guwahati.
Guwahati Province Salesians are completing 100 years of service in Northeast India this year. To commemorate the centenary, Salesians have planned several events throughout the year. The solemn inauguration of the centenary year is planned in all three provinces of the Salesians in Northeast India, namely Guwahati, Dimapur and Shillong. In Guwahati province, Archbishop John Molachara of Guwahati will preside over the centenary inauguration on 12th January 2022. Simultaneously, various other centers under Guwahati province will gather their students, staff and other beneficiaries for the opening of the centenary year. It was on 12th January 1922 that a group of 11 Salesians, 6 priests and 5 brothers reached Guwahati, and on the following day they took up their residence at Shillong. Immediately they dispersed to various centers to begin their assignments. Over the years, their work expanded and a number of schools and institutions were opened. Today, there are 15 Catholic dioceses serving the people of the region.
Salesian College bags 2 awards at National Christian Higher Education Conference. Director of Radio Salesian, Father C.M. Paul, reports from Kanyakumari.
Salesian College Siliguri bagged 2 national awards at the 19th All India Association of Christian Higher Education (IACHE) conference held in Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu on 29th December 2021. The first, Dr. Sam Higginbottom Award for the Best Principal of India since 2021 was conferred upon the Principal of Salesian College, Siliguri, Sonada, Father George Tadathil, in recognition of educational leadership, devotion to academic excellence, introduction of educational innovations, concern for the overall development of students, and commitment to professional ethics. Vice Principal of Science, Salesian College Siliguri, received the award in the absence of Father Principal George Tadathil. The second, Best Innovative Faculty Award 2021 was conferred on Mr. Peter Lepcha, Dean of Arts and Assistant Professor, Department of English, Salesian College Siliguri. The award was in recognition of one's instructional skills, innovative research and achievements, impactful campus ministry, involvement in student service, initiative for professional development, inclusion of Christian vision of education, and interest in social concerns and environmental protection. The awards consisted of cash prize and citation or certificate. IACHE is the umbrella body of some 400 plus Christian colleges and universities in India.
Don Bosco Publishing House, Hyderabad presents Word With Us, Bible Diary 2022. Available in both popular and royal editions. Besides scripture readings for daily Eucharist, the diary contains liturgical information, insights from Saint of the Day, short and relevant reflections, prayers of the faithful for Sundays and solemnities. Ideal Christmas gift for family and friends. Order from sales@dbpublishinghouse.com or WhatsApp country code 91, mobile number 9390257614. Kerala Salesians mark Don Bosco's month with 31-episode Skillthon for Youth. Father Sarjan Valavil reports from Kochi.
To celebrate the month of Don Bosco, Youth Animation Commission, in collaboration with Social Communications Commission, is uploading youth animation sessions in English each day in the province YouTube channel. Started on 1st January, the daily uploading of lessons will continue till 31st January. Skillthon is an initiative of Youth Services team of Kerala, Karnataka province. Starting from 31st January, these sessions will be also available on YouTube in Malayalam language. The project is in collaboration with Kerala Catholic Bishops' Conference Youth Commission and Integrated Youth Development Center Kochi, a Salesian training center for the youth animators and all those who are involved with youth.
Mongolia, warmest wishes from coldest New Year. Mission Superior Father Paul Leong reports from Ulaanbaatar.
The long Mongolian winter was a chance to get closer and give a little help to people in need. We produced the first ever Salesian family calendar in Mongolian and launched new Mongolia delegation website in 3 languages. 3 centers under Salesians, namely Tahan Mele Hub of Christians Parish, Suwu Holy Family Parish, the Children of the Caring Center in Ulaanbaatar, and our lay mission partners celebrated Christmas. The Salesian family members in Mongolia mission include 9 Salesians, 5 Salesian sisters, dozens of Salesian cooperators, and hundreds of Don Bosco past pupils. The first Salesian, Father Carlo Villegas from the Philippines, arrived in Mongolia on the 7th February 2001 to prepare a new skills training center in the capital city Ulaanbaatar. Later, in October 2001, the first batch of Salesians arrived.
Church Art Kolkata has a series of popular murals illustrating life and activities of Jesus Christ and saints. The 36 inches by 40 inches murals feature major life events and miracles of Jesus like healing paralytic, raising the dead, and curing the blind. Other popular murals include Jesus blessing children and mothers bringing children to Jesus. Larger versions of these murals are also available. These murals are ideal for churches, educational institutions, hospitals, and social work establishments. For affordable prices and hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco past pupil by email churchart.ganguly@gmail.com and WhatsApp/Telegram country code 919831020945. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Myanmar, Cardinal entrusts Salesians with new parish. Father Andrea Mong Mong reports from Kachin State, Myanmar.
On the solemnity of the Holy Mother of God, on the 1st January 2022, Cardinal Charles entrusted the new parish of St. Michael in Mutiji, in Mijina dan Aziz, Kachin State, to Salesians. The new parish priest is Father Bosco Angzowin, rector of Don Bosco Mijina community. As many as 1,200 faithful participated in the Holy Eucharist, during which 40 boys and girls received the sacrament of confirmation.
Vietnam, Don Bosco Vocational School keeps Christmas despite pandemic. Father Augustine Do Phuc reports from Vinh Long, Vietnam.
Though most educational institutions in Vietnam conduct online teaching, Don Bosco Mỹ-thuật Vocational School is still allowed teaching and learning activities within school. The 12th graders, in spite of their obligations to study and prepare for school leaving examinations, made the crypt, put up Christmas decorations, and practiced the carols. This year's Christmas and New Year decorations look elaborate and majestic with the theme, Love Comes to the World.
Those are the latest from Salesian News Asia Pacific. This show was brought to you by Bible Diary 2022 from Don Bosco Publishing, Hyderabad and Church Art, Kolkata. Enjoy the rest of your day.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.